Boy, oh boy, does this one start to get it. What are you watching? I don't know. Somebody's sick. She's just chatterbox. But little Sophia's now made something. Let me see, Sophia. We always used to do this all the time when she was so small. But you want to get out there and do some more. Do you do this at school sometimes?
No.
No?
We don't play Play-Doh.
Oh, you don't play Play-Doh? Oh, well then it's nice. Look at that, sweetie. It looks like kind of like Ghidorah or something.
Only thing we do is paint.
That's just a nice little guy right there. Gal. Little eyes and stuff. You turn it like this. Look straight down at it. Well, we'll remember this forever, okay? Because it'll be on YouTube and you can see what you were doing. Hey, then you better not say that. That was her father. Oop, there it is, kissing the baby. Okay, see you later, sweetie pie. I'll see